Welcome to Southern Ways with Felicia. I'm so excited that you stopped by my channel, and I hope that you are off to a wonderful new year. I am so excited because I have my first unboxing for 2021 with, of course, Redbird Vintage. I am extremely excited to see what is in my box because I requested that Sarah and Karen select some silver jewelry for me. I have so much gold jewelry that I wanted to add some new pieces that were in the silver tone, and so I'm excited to see what possibly they selected for me. So without further ado, let's just dive in and see what is in here. Oh, and I did make one boo-boo. Sarah and Karen had a teaser for us, and they actually showed us their unboxing of some of the accessories that were available for request. But of course, I guess with the holidays and everything else going on, I forgot to add requests from the video. So missed out on that, but I'm sure that they will be doing some more videos similar, sharing what they're getting in the mail and request items that we're able to request. So I missed out this time, but I plan to do better next time. So, but anyway, I'm sure that I will still be happy with what they put in my Redbird Vintage box here. So let's see what we have. Okay, of course, their signature pink tissue paper. And here is my bundle. And let's see. So again, this is my bundle. It is so pretty. It looks like a pendant, almost reminiscent of almost like a snowflake. It is so pretty. So it is a brooch, and it has silver, milk glass, baby blue rhinestones, and there's some other blue stones in there. It's so pretty. I think this will look wonderful on a jacket. Then of course we have our card, and as a Southern Belle, I just love that they always write you out a little note. It says, "Dear Felicia, Happy New Year. We hope you love your first box of 2021. Thank you, Karen and Sarah." Love that. I have my little bag with all my jewelry in here. I think I will save this for last and go into the clothing items. Oh, this is so pretty. This is like a navy blue wool dress, and the material is so thick. It is lined, which I love because if you know anything about me, I am very cold natured, and I'm looking to see if there's a tag, which it is, and let me get some help here. And it looks like it says Alper Schwartz has designs on you. This is the tag. If I can get it to fold down. Well, it's not cooperating, but there we go. And again, it's a very classic design. It has just a little bit of embellishment around the collar, around the neckline here. Very classic. So glad to add this to my wardrobe. The next item a green skirt, a green wool skirt. Green is one of my favorite colors. I love these kind of skirts. I have them in so many colors, so I never grow tired of getting these skirts because I do wear them to work on a regular basis. This skirt looks like the lining has been torn out, which is fine. I would just wear a slip with it, and it does not have a label in it. So either the label was taken out or this was homemade, but I do like the little tuffing around the hem here at the top. So this will be cute, and I can even put a belt on, you know, if I want to cinch my waist a little bit. Ooh, I have a scarf, and I really love the colors. They're very light. You have baby blue, pink, mauve. This is just so beautiful. And this scarf is from Club Echo. It is 100% silk, and I definitely look forward to wearing it. It kind of, the flowers in it kind of mimic what I have on, very feminine, just so fun. I really like this scarf. I will definitely get a lot of wear out of it. And now on to my goodie bag. Oh, so the first item kind of looks like it goes with my scarf a little bit. It's a necklace. Let's see here. So this is the necklace. It is silver, and it has like blue and clear and almost like lavender in the stones, and then it has a little bit of aurora borealis going on there, and I think it will lay just beautifully around the neck. Let me see if I can get this on. Let me see if I can hook it. Okay, that is so pretty. Yay. Excited about that piece. Let's see what else I have in here. Oh, I have another silver piece. This is quite heavy. Ooh, this is pretty. I like this one because it looks kind of modern. I don't know if you can, I hope you can see that. It's beautiful. And again, I think this necklace will just really lay nicely. Feels so cool to the skin. I love the way it feels. This is gorgeous. I really like this necklace. I like both of them. Let me check to see if there are any hallmarks. So I don't see any hallmarks on this one. The first necklace, it says Tara on the label here, so never heard of that line. That is a new one, so I will have to research. Let's see. Oh, We have a bracelet. Oh, this is quite dainty looking. Oh, so it has a little clasp and you just push down. This is so pretty. I probably would not have selected this for myself, but I'm glad that they did because I really like it. It is delicate. I like the design in it. It's kind of Art Deco looking. I really love how Art Deco it looks. You know, we're back in the roaring 20s, so. And it fits my wrist perfectly. So, yeah. Oh, this is the front of it. I didn't realize it had this little, well, this huge stone in the front. I really like that. That is very different. And what else do we have? Oh, we have some earrings. I think I might have requested these. I did. And they actually match what I have on. These earrings that I'm taking off, they're Redbird vintage as well. And I wear these a lot. They're a favorite. I love my ear bobs. So let me try on my new pieces here. These ear bobs are so lightweight. I really like that. So, take my glasses down. So, I really like that. And oh, we have another brooch. And most of you who watch my show, you know that I am a pearl girl. So here we have a brooch with pearls and rhinestones. Love that. I have a new coat that my sweet hubby gave me for Christmas that this will go perfect on. And I think I have one last piece. Ooh, what's this? Okay, this is quite different. It is a brooch, but let me see if I can get all the pieces to cooperate and go in the right direction without sticking myself. I assume these lay over like this and go like this. So this is the brooch. I really like that. It has this little sway in the front with the chains that dance, and I think it just adds a little extra touch to the brooch, which sometimes most of the time I'm extra. The more the merrier for me. This is probably not the best fabric for it to be on, but to give you an idea, I really like that. That is so odd. Very modern looking. I don't see a hallmark on it, but that is quite all right with me. So there you have it, my January subscription. I'm so excited about all the wonderful pieces that I received. I'm so excited to have all these new silver pieces to add to my collection. I really, really, really adore this beautiful scarf and my clothes that I received. I have to say that this bracelet is just beautiful. It is gorgeous. So yeah, I am so excited about what I got this month. If you have never subscribed to Redbird Vintage, I hope that you will visit their page, look at what they have available. They have subscriptions starting from $25 and up. They've really added to their different types of boxes. I normally get the Lorraine, where it comes with clothing and accessories. But like I said, they do have a subscription that starts at $25. That one is the scarf subscription, which is really fun. Several of my friends have videos, and I actually have one myself about this the scarf sub, so I hope that you'll check that out. The Lorraine is just my favorite because I just love getting the clothing as well as the accessories, and I'd highly recommend that you visit their website so you can see what is all available and pick out what you may like. If you really like this video, I hope that you will give us a thumbs up. I'd love for you to comment below which piece was your favorite. Did you like my new modern brooch? Did you like my beautiful bangle bracelet? Or did you like my ear bobs, necklaces, my scarf? Just let me know. I'd like to know what your thoughts are. These videos are so much fun to make, and I enjoy watching my friends who, when they do their Redbird Vintage unboxing, none of us ever get the same thing. We all have different tastes, but it's so much fun to see what everyone is receiving in their boxes. So I hope you'll check out some of the other videos that are online as well. Again, thank you so much for visiting with Southern Ways with Felicia. Bye-bye.